Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Hey, I'm Dave, and this is a quick review of Cliffhanger Nendoroid. Cliffhanger is one of the main antagonists in a video game called Death Stranding. I've loved the game, I love Mads Mikkelsen, I love Nendoroids, so there was nothing not to like about this announcement. If you're wondering where is Sam Bridges Nendoroid, I'll have him soon. It's been a year since I received any parcels from Japan, and Sam Bridges stuck in shipment hell. Fortunately, he's finally making his way to me, along with many other Nendoroids and figures I ordered during 2020. But this review is all about Cliff, not Sam. As you see, his Nendo has a super movable body, which is pretty standard. The only drawback is that he can't lower his arms to put them along the body. That's a minor problem caused by heavy equipment he has. As you might have noticed, I have a DX version of this Nendo, so he comes with 4 faceplates. The first one is a smiling clean one. If you wanted a tiny Mads, that's the one you'll like the most. The next one is an emotionless dirty faceplate. That's his fighting look. Next, there is another dirty faceplate with closed eyes. Even though it references a scene from the game, to be honest, I'm not sure why we need it. The last faceplate is a skull. I'm fascinated with skeletons, so this one is like a Christmas gift for me, because I'll be able to use it on any Nendo I have. As for the accessories, there are a few, so I'll show you the hands too, starting with simple open hands. Then there is a rifle. It's a nice gun, but pay attention to the hand holding it. Remember it? And now compare it to this one. It's a different one. I spent a lot of time comparing them, and it seems that one holds the rifle straight, and the other holds it a little lower. The difference is so minor that I'm not sure if it's worth it. Oh, and check out the helmet. It's 2 separate head parts that can be used for other Nendos. But be careful, unlike the video game trailer, the goggles aren't articulated. Next, there is a hand holding a cigarette. I'm strongly against smoking, but some characters look so cool with a cig. Another strange hand is the one with the dirty finger. It's a BT ooze, another reference to the game. And lastly, there is a doll. Yet another reference, and maybe one of the most useless accessories. In the game it was a short symbol for Cliff's loss, and that's it. And I don't think his Nendo needs it. All in all, Cliffhanger is a great Nendoroid. I'm happy to have a tiny Mads as a best daddy on my shelf. I do doubt some accessory choices, and I'm slightly annoyed that a skull faceplate was paywalled by the DX edition, but I can ignore it all, as Nendoroid Cliff is a welcomed addition to my collection. And now, traditionally, to the photo. For this one I decided to use his theme of a squad leader. He's seen with his fellow skeletons throughout all the battles in the game, and I wanted to show them together. So I had to get ready to compile a lot of photos. In such a photoshoot it's important to have your camera steady in one place, so a tripod was really important. Another tip I may give you, take some other Nendos as dummies. You don't have to pose them, but placing them instead of future copies is a nice way to choose the camera angle. And don't forget to turn off autofocus. After 100 takes, it was time for Photoshop magic. If you want, I may show you in details how I compiled a lot of different takes into one. This one wasn't hard, even though I had to work with 3 characters and a lot of reflections. If you have any questions about Cliffhanger Nendoroid or about figure photography in general, please leave it in comments. I've been away, but now I'm back and I will do better work responding to your comments. If you like my photos, please follow me on Instagram. It's been TSFigures, my name is Dave, thank you for watching, and bye!